So I did a video the other day about sunsets on a flat earth and sunsets underneath, or the sunlight rather, appearing underneath the clouds on a sunset, or rather on a flat earth. And somebody in the comments, I'm not sure if they were being sarcastic or not, so I'm going to answer the question anyway. I mean, this was a video in the next lineup about the sun speeding up and slowing down. Something of the effect of, if the earth is flat, you would have to assume that the sun speeds up and slows down, and nobody witnesses that. Well, actually we do. You just have to time lapse it to witness it, because it happens so slow compared to our timeline. We don't really take notice of it. If you time lapse it, and you can put 4 years into a mere minute or so, then you'll see the magic. And this is what it does. This is simple observation of the sun. A couple of years, I think it's like 2.5 years. You can see the time it was taken. Every night at 5:40, it does do the daylight savings time and all that garbage. Anyway, it runs on a racetrack. Figure 8. Never deviates. It goes fast in the south and slow in the north. It doesn't wobble. The earth doesn't wobble. You know, this is direct proof of it. They say the earth wobbles 3 degrees. Well, then you wouldn't have a racetrack. Okay? This wouldn't be possible. Not to mention, if it wasn't a flat earth and it was a globe, the way they said it was, that wouldn't be a figure 8 at all. It'd be a straight line up and down. Right? This here is the sunsets pointing to the west. So I mean, you'll see the times. So every time at this place, if it said that's the time of the sunset, that's the time to take the picture. And you will see that it comes north to a certain degree. I can't really see it on my phone. I forget what it was. Because I'm doing this on my video editor on my phone and not on my computer. Anyway, so it goes to a certain degree and it stops. It will never, ever, ever go more north than that degree. And the same thing with the south. And it returns to the north to that same degree that it was in the north prior. And it returns to the south. When it hits that far north degree, it returns to the south. It never deviates. It's running an ordinance, like a clock. Who built the clock? There's only one person, or not a person, but there's one being that built this place. And he's very vocal about it. So anyway, those two videos show the earth, or I'm sorry, those two videos, show that the sun moves at varying speeds and that the earth does not wobble. These next two little clips here I just doing real quick because I'm going to move on from the sun. I'm going to throw up some other ones on some different subjects. I'm trying to keep them short. Anyway, this is from David Wise. David, thank you very much. If you see this, you did a good job. Keep doing what you're doing, by the way, too. Anyway, this is from, I believe it says drone, and I want to say it was 3,000 feet up. I could be wrong. If you see this, Dave, correct me on your heightage if I was wrong. Anyway, so this clearly demonstrates the throw light of the sun, that it doesn't have this phenomenal amount of throw, you know what I mean? It can only go so far because of atmospheric opacity. I don't have all the answers. I'm not a genius. Okay, I do understand a little bit about atmospheric opacity with refraction, and I'm learning a lot about it, more so studying flat earth than I ever did in high school. So, and you will see here that there it is. See how it fades out from the center out? It doesn't set. It just can't throw the light anymore. It's like shining a flashlight in the fog. It's only going to go so far, right? Well, your sun's a flashlight. The earth has humidity. That's like a fog. I mean, humidity is water in the air. It's water vapor, and it makes like a convex lens. It's just something to think about. But like I said, I don't have all the answers. I'm not a genius. I'm not going to pretend that I have all the answers. But the answers that I do have, I'll be more than glad to share. So if you try to jam me up, good luck. I will never, ever, ever deny what God said to Job in Job chapter 38 when he says, the shape of the earth takes shape like clay under the seal. That's a flat earth. Anybody denies it, well, then you hate God. Plain and simple. He said it. If you love God and you're a Christian, you'll accept it. Why? Because he's your God. That's why. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of it. Only about 30 more seconds. So, Have a good day.